Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes, lad? 60 seconds to stop. No crackers, Gromit. We forgot the crackers. Hold on, Gromit. Hold on. Morning, Gromit. Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Isn't supposed to do that. Don't worry, madam. Everything's under control. That's my machine. I've got patent pending on that. Oh, that's quite enough. You'll be hearing from my solicitor about this. Capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbits per minute.
Rabbit bother and triple straight on over the... Like that.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected from it, didn't it? Well done, chap. Oh, that was really good.
Oh, it's good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really
Riveting.